In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade in CapCut PC. If you want to fix a dark screen recording or manually fine-tune your video colors so everything looks cleaner, crisper, and more professional, this is a very easy method to follow. We're going to use CapCut on PC and make just a few simple adjustments that can noticeably improve the look of your footage, especially if you're working with tutorials, spreadsheets, dashboards, or any kind of screen-based content where clarity really matters. To begin, look down at your timeline tracks and click once directly on your video clip so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to adjust before any of the controls will affect it. Once the clip is selected, move to the top right Properties panel and click on the Adjustment tab. From there, make sure you're inside the Basic section. That's where the core manual tuning sliders are located, and it gives you access to the controls we need for this quick color grade. Now let's improve the lighting first. Scroll down a little until you reach the Light section. Here, find the Brightness slider and drag it slightly to the right until it reaches around +5. This helps lift the overall image just enough to clean up muddy shadows without making the footage look washed out. Right below Brightness, find the Highlight slider and raise that to +8. This is especially useful for screen recordings because it helps the brighter areas stand out more clearly and gives things like white backgrounds or interface panels a cleaner, more polished appearance. Next, we'll move to one of the most important adjustments for tutorial videos, and that's text legibility. Scroll a bit farther until you find the Sharpen slider. Drag this to the right until it reaches exactly +15. Then take a moment to look at the preview monitor. You should notice that the edges of text, numbers, formulas, and other fine on-screen details appear much more defined. This added sharpness can make a big difference for viewers, especially when they're trying to follow small interface elements or read precise information on screen. And that's it. With just a few slider adjustments, you've improved the brightness, boosted the highlights, and sharpened the footage for better clarity and a more professional result. This is a fast and effective way to color grade screen recordings in CapCut PC without overcomplicating the process. Your custom brightness mapping and text sharpness adjustments are now complete, and your video is ready to go.